Hey, welcome back to RLS. Originally, we thought we might have had a bad belt. He had a couple grooves and nasty spots in his belt, and he was getting some misfire codes, and which we claimed to think we have bad injectors. So we're gonna pull the injectors out here and just have a looky-loo. Come along. I'm gonna take this off right here. All right. Just start ripping. Oh! This is a bad angle. This is just me being miserable, Ethan. What are we doing out here?
Dude, we're about to go for a fun ride.
Hey, why did I just get wet, Ethan?
Oh, there's an AC unit that leaks on top of us.
All right. Oh, yeah. Shoot, dang.
I was spinning.
Is that what that thing was doing? The condenser's leaking on us?
Yeah.
There it goes. Oh. Maybe I should throw a rag in there or something.
Smells like fuel.
Does it smell bad?
Nah, I can't tell what bad fuel smells like.
What do you think, Ethan? You think this is fun?
This is very fun.
I think we need to find a new job profession here, all right? This is freaking goofball activity.
What we need to do is
right
we need
now.
to find someone who's doing our jobs, and then we can just go
What I
have fun.
really hope is this actually solves the problem.
Yeah.
This is what solved the problem with the Turbo S, so we're going out on a whim. Everything else checked out thus far. Clutch is in great shape. Belt's in great shape because it's brand new. Clutch bases are in great shape. Nothing slipping. Secondary's in great shape. What in freaking skullet mullet's going on out here? Maybe if I had a little hair, I could keep my thoughts in, I guess. I don't know. Freaking all this freaking bald talk here. All right, we stopped leaking. Let's see if I can jam this critter back in there. Snap on only the finest, all right? Wow, we're really going at great lengths to not take off this intake plenum, are we? Part of me is like, you know, probably if I take it off, it'd probably be faster.
And the other party is like, but I don't want to put that back on.
109,000%, you're right about that.
Oh yeah, I heard that break loose.
You heard that cub break loose?
Oh yeah.
My question is, how the freak are we gonna get that thing back on? Got it. I think that injection rail is ready to just hang on a sec before you. It should pull those injectors straight out with it. So I'm gonna come out there. Not gonna lie, though.
You like this angle a lot better?
That's not bad.
Okay, everyone, cover your eyes.
Oh. Dang it!
How they looking, Chief?
I mean, kind of hard to tell. I mean, they look all right from right here, but really it matters what they look like on the inside. Okay, I still got all that fuel on the fuel rail, man. Stuff just does not stop. It's not stopping. Okay, big dog. I need a freaking pocket screwdriver on the double.
A what?
Pocket screwdriver on the double.
I don't know what that is.
You
Is that
want
a tiny screwdriver?
small screwdriver? No, not that, Ethan. That's what us technicians refer to. It's like the number one tool you have. Usually,
This guy?
every single day, I keep it on my. What do I keep it on?
Your person? Your
Yeah, I
pocket?
keep it right in my freaking pocket when I'm freaking working at the shop. The one I have here is orange, and I like it, and I want it. I want to use it, and I don't know where it is. Snap-on it.
That's why.
I don't want to use some other
it.
piece of junk. Okay, I'm just gonna use another screwdriver. I'm gonna stop being so picky. Look at that, that'll do the trick, huh? You wanna bring over one of those new injectors? Where are they at, huh? Let's just do it right here. So, what do we do when we get a new injector? We freaking double check and make sure it looks even remotely the same, which this is absolutely the same. Amazing how much dirt gets on this thing, huh? See that? You just give that a little pry right there and there. I think if we probably just give it a little pry right here, it actually probably will come. Look at that, yep. Oh, just for you fellers out there to know, just so you know, this is the orientation. So if you just happen to take it off and you forget which way it goes, boom. This side forward, buddy. Look at this, you can test fuel rail pressure right on that bad boy. That's pretty slicker and it's not. Who came up with all that mess?
I don't know. Maybe this Polaris guy.
All right, should we see what this looks like? I'm a little nervous.
Oh yeah.
freaking go dump this. There's a little bit of fuel down in there, ready to be freaking ejectocito, dude. Yeah, what we need is a flash. What we need is their old flashlight. It's freaking sun shining down on me. I like how we've walked over here like freaking 4 times, haven't we,
I know,
Ethan?
it's because we're both freaking tired, dude.
So maybe a little bit of debris down in there. Don't look all the way clean. Oh no, it doesn't look too bad. This is getting sketchy.
Guess we're gonna might be breaking down today, huh?
Yeah, maybe. We'll see.
Hey, did he tell you how bad it is when he breaks down?
He said like walk freaking 500 miles out of the forest. No.
Shut her down, restart the battery.
It just goes into limp mode, so it'll still be running. You see that right there? That's how we're gonna slide her back on. Put the injector on, slide the clip back in. There's your orientation, fam, right there. Whoops. There's definitely some dirt up in this thing right here.
Yeah.
Wonder why that's the case, huh? Maybe because Ethan was driving it.
Dude.
It's go time. Hey, Ethan, just lightly coat the O-ring, all right? Light coat is all we need, just on the O-ring, dog. Don't get crazy. A little grease goes a long way, my friend. Sink her flat. Probably the right direction, if we can. Just like that. Ladies and gentlemen, right there, you see how that injector has those little, see that right there? Those injectors have a little guide that's right there, a little plastic piece. Make sure you just land that son of a gun right in that guide. Take that clip and we'll shove that sucker right back on, big dog. Just so you let you know, that's how those clips are supposed to go in there. Let's look at injector number 2. Please show something more promising, like a big old chunk of freaking goober in there. Something that made it past the fuel filter or something, you know. So wait, these are nasty. There is a little bit of residue in there, I can see. I think we should hurry up and get out of here so it's not too late while we're riding around.
Almost 8 o'clock, I think.
Is it?
Oh, 7:14, never mind.
Let's stay calm.
Hey,
if
hey,
we're
hey.
out of here by 8, I'm not going to be upset about that.
Oh, yeah?
Do we have a little vacuum in here?
We don't. We just have like these paper towels.
Oh, we do have a little vacuum.
We do?
Yeah, we can do this.
Where's it at?
It ain't, I mean, it's not a little vacuum, but we can definitely stress it out. All right, Eaton, look at that, huh? Okay, that injector rail is ready to go. Look at that. Bolted in, everything's lubed up. Okay, let's find that little vacuum real fast. It ain't no little vacuum, it's a decent sized vacuum, but I think it's in here. We're gonna do something sketchy, because that's what we do. Neck her down a couple sizes. Too much vacuum. Let's create some serious pressure.
It'd be funny if it just, you turn on, it just sucks it right in.
No, it won't, dude. Promise you, that's freaking tighter than a tick's butt. That's tighter than a tick's butt.
Okay, let's fire you up.
That was louder than snot, wasn't it? Okay, it looks pretty clean actually in there. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Nice.
All right, here we go. Light grease. Light grease. Let's put this thing back.
Dude, I don't know how your knees don't hurt.
Cute. I'm an old man. Because I'm young, dude. I make poor choices. All right, I'm gonna try and put this in from the back seat.
Yeah, I was gonna say,
doing.
it's gonna be a lot easier if you go on the back.
Yeah, I don't want to put those back in yet. Let's hold off on those.
Okay.
Just put the bolts back in real fast. I just want to make sure I don't drop that bolt. All right, we're gonna let her down. All right, this one mucho easier to get in, buddy. Look at that thread down in that son of a gun, dude. Light work, light work. I'm sick and tired of that thing dripping on me, dog.
I know.
That like almost is enough to make you upset. Look at that. Heard it click.
There we go.
Okay, I feel good about that, huh? It's tight, tight, tight. Let's get out of here.
Okay, everyone. Injectors are in. Now it's time to fast this forward, because we got to get this thing on the road. It's already getting a little late.
Get this bad boy on the road, big dog.
Oh yeah. Okay. Time to throw it back together. Let's go, brother.
He's up here wheeling on the Razor.
Dude, he's out wheeling in the middle. He's doing his own trail.
Everything's looking sexy, Josh. Woo! After you, big dog. What a cluster changing those injectors out. But we sure caught her, didn't we?